The Collins Aerospace PRC-162 is a fully integrated 2-channel software-defined radio. It offers key features for today's battlespace communications. It can run the latest networking waveforms. Offered in a single or dual mount configuration, the PRC-162 has a size and power profile designed to make installation faster and easier. You save installation and hardware costs. Crossbanding to different waveforms is seamless during retransmission. This happens internally with no external cabling. Simultaneous 2-channel operation aligns communications at all levels. The PRC-162 produces 20 watts of internal power, giving the radio superior range for both channels, running on any waveform. This results in size, weight, and cost savings. When you do need an external power amplifier, we offer our VRC-126 and 127 vehicle kits. They can mount up to 2 co-located 50-watt VHF power amplifiers, providing greater range in the legacy SINCGARS radio mount envelope.
It's very flexible. We integrate with all legacy radio systems currently fielded into the Army, as well as all the antenna systems and now the mounting systems with this SINCGARS legacy adapter.
Its design lets the radio use commercial off-the-shelf technology for ancillary components to take advantage of cost efficiencies. Mount your radio system in even the most space-confined vehicles and give your forces superior communications capability. Bring the most trusted tactical radio to your vehicles for reliable, powerful performance in a self-contained unit.